Hi, my name is Sasha Beatty, and I'm a board-certified family nurse practitioner and the founder of Ivy Men's and TRT located in Greenwich, Connecticut. Today's hot topic is, do men get PMS? Like women, men experience hormonal shifts and changes every day. A man's testosterone level can rise in the morning and fall in the evening. Testosterone levels can even vary day to day. And some claim that these hormonal fluctuations may cause symptoms that mimic symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, including depression, fatigue, and mood swings. But are these monthly hormonal swings regular enough to be called a male period? Yes, according to an author and psychotherapist, Jed Diamond, PhD. He coined the term irritable male syndrome, IMS, to describe these hormonal fluctuations and the symptoms they cause. And this is based on a true biological phenomenon observed in rams. He believes that cisgender men experience hormonal cycles like women, and that's why these cycles have been described as the male period or menstruation. Because men's testosterone levels can vary, it's during these times of these hormonal shifts and fluctuations that men may experience symptoms. The symptoms of these fluctuations may share some similarities with symptoms of PMS, and this may be as close to a male period as any man will get. So what are the symptoms of IMS? They're pretty much mimic some of the symptoms women experience during PMS. However, IMS doesn't follow any physiological pattern the way a woman's period follows her reproductive cycle. So there's no hormonal basis if IMS exists. But these symptoms may not occur regularly, and there may be no pattern to them. The symptoms of IMS are vague and have been suggested to include fatigue, confusion or mental fogginess, depression, anger, low self-esteem, low libido, anxiety, and hypersensitivity. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, make an appointment to talk to your local hormone specialist and start getting your testosterone levels checked. This is a diagnosable condition and can be treated. Here at Ivy Men's, we can help you achieve your wellness goals.